Hi friends, today I am discussing about the how to get data from Nasdaq. First I will discuss about the Nasdaq. What is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is an American stock exchange platform. So it has stock market data, financial data, economics data, commodity data. It has different types of data and it is a place of where buyers of stocks will sell or buy. So that will be very useful for a data scientist or data analyst. So today I am discussing how to get data from the stock exchange. Before going to this topic, first, if you want to get this data, first we need to know about the Quandil. Quandil. What is a Quandil? Quandil is a marketplace for financial, economic, and alternative data delivered in modern formats. It delivers data in Python API, R API, MATLAB API, in CSV file, Excel file for different types. It delivers to different platforms. So we can get data from this API. So first, if you want to, we need to install Quandil. How can we install first such Quandil? Quandl. Such Quandil. How to install Quandil? Then I am this video about how to install Quandil in Python. So go to, this copy this pip install Quandil command and install. See, I am installing the Quandil. After you need to import the Quandil. After, if you want Nasdaq data, we need to go over Quandil website. See friends, this is a Quandil website. See, or search quandil.com. The first page will be look like. So if you want to access the Nasdaq data, we need to sign in or sign up. If you have already account, you go for sign in. If you don't have account, please sign up. And after sign up, they will ask normal your mail ID. Uh, what is the use? How you use this data? They will ask like that, and they will after sign up they will give one API key. This is very important to access the data sets from this website. That API, if you don't have an API, that API you can't download this data. So after sign up, they will give one API key and they will ask email confirmation also. See, I will show my API key. Go to account settings. If you want to know what is your API key, see, this is my API key. So if you want to go to after you getting API key, go for Quandil main page. Then the main first page will be look like this. Go to last. Press any of these options. I am pressing India. I will discuss later, friends, why I am pressing India. Normal, you can press any options. Remove India because I want to go to this page. From this page, we can access different types of data. It has premium data. For premium data, we need to give money, need to pay. For free data, we don't need to pay. Click on free data. So all the free data will be come. So I am going to Nasdaq free. See, it has a free over 35,000 global indexes published by. It has a equity, income, dividend. All the data will be available for free purposes. So this data is every hour updated. It is a new data, friends. We can get historical data. We can get present data also. This is very useful API. For every 4 hours, this API is this website is refreshed. See, these are the Nasdaq data, settlement value, how much return came for top 25, top 100, Nasdaq 100, Nasdaq. See. Different types of categories are there. If you want to go to, if you want to know how many categories are there, you can go for next. First, if you want to know how can we, first I will discuss how can you get the data. First, if you want to, whichever you want, please go to that one and click on expand. If you expand, this page will go to another page will be open. That page will be look like this. See friends, it will give us the uh, details of the chart and table also. It is a time series data friends. So see on the right corner, how can you get the data? It has a JSON API, CSV API, XML, libraries, Python or MATLAB also, tools, Excel. I am getting this data from using Python. So click on Python, which library you want. Before, if you want to copy, you should install Quandl and import Quandl. After, after uh, see, put write any variable and equal and copy this one and copy and paste it. Then you will get the data. So this, it is a structured data frame. It directly give the data frame format. You don't need to convert the convert to data frame, or you can download. It can we can download CSV file, Excel, JSON format. It is a simple friends. Can get data for we can get present data also. For every 4 hours, it will be updated. It is about see after in this it gives what is the data set about and authorization token. If we don't have this token, we can't get this data. This authorization token means I said about the API key. Now this is the API key. This is the API key, friends. If you want another data set, please go back. See, this is the Quandl code, friends, for this data set. You can go to next page. You can go next page and see. See, there's some European data also. Same for every data, it is same. You need to press expand. You need to press expand and press Python or R or MATLAB and click on that one. If for R, it will be like this. Same friends, all will be same, but platform will be different. So I get a different. See, I am getting another data. So we, in this website, if you want free, you can get free. Which one have free will be which data set have freely available, we can get that data sets only, friends. If you want paid data sets, you need to pay for it. You need to go to premium account. It has different countries data sets. European country data, different countries data sets available. It is a only financial data. In this website, only financial data will be available, friends, and it is a structured data. So this is all about the how to get data from Nasdaq and Quandl. Please watch this video up to end. Please subscribe my channel and please press bell icon for new videos. If you like this video, please press like button and give a comment. Please share to friends. Thanks for watching.